Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be going over an explanation as to what the prediction markets are on Coinbase, how to buy and sell contracts, explaining exactly what that means and showing you a real world example. So we're going to launch the Coinbase app. And from the homepage of the Coinbase app at the bottom, you can see there's a tab here that says predict. So we're going to click on that. This is going to take us over to the prediction markets. So you can see predictions that are trending, or if you're looking for a specific topic in an area, you can filter it by sports, crypto, politics, things such as that, or you can search specifically for what you're looking for. But let's say, for instance, I'm interested in sports. So I click on that tab and I want to take a look at basketball games. So I'm going to filter it by basketball. And the top trending basketball game for tonight is this Oklahoma City at Detroit matchup. And let's say, for instance, I think Oklahoma City has a better chance of winning this than what the odds say. So at 23%, if you put $100 down on this, and this gets all the way up to 100%, you would cash out $435. Of course, the market doesn't expect this to happen as much as a Detroit win. That's why you would get paid out more in this instance. But the nice thing about prediction market contracts, it's a little different than traditional sports betting where you would place a bet and then you'd have to wait for the final outcome to get paid out. Whereas with trading contracts, anytime throughout this process, you could cash out. Let's say before the game even starts, maybe Oklahoma City gets up to 25%, 30%, something like that. Well, you could sell those contracts and cash out that little bit of profit if you didn't want to wait until the end of the game and the final result. It's totally up to you what you want to do in this instance, whether you want to wait for the final result of the contract where one side is at 100% and then the other side is at 0%, or throughout the process of before that final result, you can cash out some amount of profit or some amount of loss depending on where the odds currently stand. You might be asking, well, how can I quickly tell how much I could potentially gain from these contracts with the money that I put in? And what you can use as a rule of thumb is whatever side that you end up taking, to multiply that percentage to get to 100%. Let's say Oklahoma City was trading at 20% to make it easy. 20%, what do you have to multiply that by to get to 100%? Well, you'd have to multiply it by 5. So if you put $100 down on Oklahoma City and they ended up winning this and getting up to that 100%, well, that would be 5 times the money that you had put in if this was at 20%. So let's say you put $100 in at 20%, times that by 5, 100 times 5 is $500. You also have to include the $100 that you had initially put into that, so it'd be a $400 profit. But this also wouldn't take into account fees that would be associated with this, so it'd be a little bit less than that as well. But just kind of a general rule of thumb that I use when looking through these different odds is whatever number that I see here, what does it take to multiply that number to get to 100%? And that is the amount that you're looking at to cash out if the side that you're taking comes through. So let's say, for instance, I think maybe Oklahoma City has a better shot than the 23% that they're currently trading at. So if I select Oklahoma City, it's also worth noting that if this is your first time trading contracts on Coinbase, you have to fill out a quick application and get approved. It'll ask you things like your total net worth, your annual income, your employment, your trading history, things like that. It shouldn't take too long to fill that out. It's similar to an application you would go through when trading stocks, for instance, for the first time on Coinbase. Once you're done filling that out and get approval, then you can start trading contracts. So let's say I want to put $50 on this contract of yes for Oklahoma City winning this matchup. So then I can click review order. Then it takes you to the review page so you can look everything over. So buying yes on Oklahoma City, coming through and winning this one. It shows the quantity of contracts, how much you're buying, the odds chance. So it only has a 23% chance. It shows you the payout if this prediction is correct. And then it'll show you the total. And you can take a look at the fees if you want as well. And then I can click buy now. And my order is complete, so I can click done. And that takes us back to the page of this particular matchup where it shows us how many hours until the contest starts, and it shows us the trend line over the course of time with the percentage chance on each side. It's simply up to you what you want to do with these contracts, whether you'd want to cash them out early, wait until it's completely done all the way at the end, or you can even buy more of one side or the other, depending on how these numbers are fluctuating. Coming back to the homepage of the Coinbase app after that game has concluded and Oklahoma City came up just short, but all that matters in this particular instance is who won and who lost. So Oklahoma City lost. To check on this, I can click on my predictions right here. And these contracts will close automatically at the conclusion. So Oklahoma City lost. We can see that it was closed out. And of course, since they lost, I didn't receive anything for this. Now, throughout the course of this game, actually early on, Oklahoma City had a double-digit lead. If I would have came back earlier and cashed out at that point in time, I could have doubled my money, but I let it ride and Oklahoma City came up just short in the end. So that one one closes as a loser. Once these results come to their conclusion, whether they win or lose, they will close automatically, but you also have the option while the contract is still in progress. You could cash out at any point, and whenever you cash out, it would just be determined of what the odds are at that point in time as to how much you would be able to cash out. But that's the process on purchasing contracts, what that looks like, and the process on how to do this in the Coinbase app. I hope it was helpful in some way. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and consider subscribing to the YouTube channel for more content in the future.